Dear self, kailan ko kaya makikita? Saan ko kaya mahahanap yung tao na magpapasaya sa akin at makakasama ko sa habang buhay?
Magandang hapon, Pilipinas, and hello, Manila. Alas 3 na naman ng hapon, kaya nandito na naman tayo upang maghatid ng panibagong storya at panibagong aral sa ating mga tagapakinig. Ito ang inyong lingkod, Cashmere Ison, para sa panibagong episode ng Love Doctor.
Pag-ibig, isang salita na may napakalalim na kahulugan at dapat pahalagahan. Pag-ibig sa pamilya, kaibigan at pag-ibig sa taong kanilang tinatangi at gustong makapiling na panghabang buhay. Marami sa atin ang naghahangad na makakita at maranasang umibig sa isang tao na ating maging katuwang at kasangga sa hirap at ginhawa. Marami ang nakahanap, ngunit marami din ang nabigo. Ikaw, nahanap mo na ba ang para sa iyo?
Desiree Julian.
Enzo po. Enzo kasi.
Kelvin Laksamana.
For me, tingin ko super iba na ng meaning ng love in today's generation. Yung iba kasi parang ang bilis for them na may love. Unlike before na need pa talaga makita yung effort before maging sila.
Ngayon, yung effort and panliligaw, dinadaan na lang mostly online. Either sa Messenger, sa Facebook, and madalas na nga rin sa Instagram.
Sobrang iba na talaga. Ang daming nag-dating apps. Madalas tuloy nagiging sila na agad kahit ilang weeks para nag-uusap. Hindi pa nagkikita at hindi pa naman magkakilala talaga.
Ayoko namang lagyan ng parang time limit. Pero ako kasi, ayoko talagang minamadali yung relationship. So for me, basta kilala niyo na talaga yung isa't isa, okay na yung magsabihan kayo ng I love you.
For me, the right time to say I love you is when you feel ready to say I love you. When you feel safe with the person, feel comfortable, feel that you matter, heard, and when you feel that you're you, and that you could reciprocate it to the other person. Love is an effort of both parties.
Eto, imagine mo, nasa date kayo, tapos nag-uusap, nagtatawanan, parang kumakalampag talaga yung puso mo. Parang ganon. Ewan ko, pero ang masasabi ko lang talaga kasi dyan, mararamdaman mo naman yung right timing eh.
Green flag ko, yung soft-spoken. Tapos hindi nagtataas ng boses. Tapos siguro sa red flag, yung masyadong silusin.
I don't really have a green or red flag per se, but if I were to give an answer, it would be respect lang. Take your time and have boundaries.
Para sa akin, ang gusto ko talaga is yung makadiyos at family-oriented. Red flag na if hindi marunong magpakumbaba at walang respeto sa kapwa.
For me, pag iba na yung saya ko sa kanya. Tapos comfortable talaga ako pag magkasama kami. Also, if nag-e-effort siya. Bare minimum, pero may iba kasing hindi nag-e-effort.
There's no such thing as the one for me, you know. It's better to be happy with who you're with or you're comfortable with than looking for something that doesn't even exist.
Ako, pag wala na talaga akong nakikitang ibang babae sa future ko na gusto kong makasama, yung tipong lahat ng problemang harapin ko, alam kong nasa tabi ko lang siya at susuportahan ako palagi.
paulit-ulit na, pero advice ko lang talaga is huwag niyong madaliin. Kilalanin niyo yung isa't isa, like alamin mo yung goals and plans nila in life. If tugma kayo ng gusto sa buhay, para sa future, hindi niyo na pag-aawayan.
Self, you know. Find a partner whom you can put your trust in and be vulnerable with. You don't have to have the same mindset or goals in life. Just be there for the other person, especially when they need it the most. And lastly, improve yourself for the other person, not drag them down with you.
Ang advice ko, always treat your partner with respect, kindness, and consideration. Kasi kung anong trato mo sa kanya, ayun din naman yung ibabalik niya sa'yo eh. Lalo na kung gusto mo ring magtagal yung relationship niyo.
Being prepared is not just about finding the right person. It's about being the right person. It's about understanding yourself, your values, and your goals before you bring someone else into your life. Let's start with the proximate preparation for marriage. Dating, courtship, and engagement are all crucial steps in the process. Dating is where it all begins. It's a time to get to know each other, to understand each other's likes and dislikes and dreams. But it's also about being honest and open about your intentions from the start. Once you've established a connection, courtship comes into play. This is where things get more serious. It's a time to discuss important topics like finances, religions, and future plans. And then there's the engagement phase. This is where you make a commitment to each other and start planning your future together. But being prepared doesn't stop there. It's an ongoing journey throughout your relationship. It's about continuously investing in each other, nurturing your connection, and adapting to life's changes.
Dito na nga nagtatapos ang episode natin for today.
Always remember, love is a two-way street. It flourishes when both hearts are open and committed to the journey together.